the anatomy of midbrain. Here you can see the midbrain, and it is the most superior part of the brainstem, and also it is the shortest part. It's situated in the posterior cranial fossa. In midbrain, third and fourth cranial nerves are present. Apart from that, it contains the center for vertical conjugate gaze, substantia nigra, and paramedian reticular formation. And also this mediates the auditory and visual reflexes. First we will talk about the ventral surface. So here you can see a rough sketch of the ventral surface. Here is the optic chiasm and the optic tract, and then the infundibulum, and in V shape you can see the cerebral peduncles, and in between cerebral peduncles there's the interpeduncular fossa. In that, superiorly the mammillary bodies are present, and inferiorly the posterior perforated substance is present. So now we're going to draw the blood vessels. To know about the blood supply and the circle of Willis, you can watch the video on my YouTube channel. So here is the posterior communicating artery, and this is basilar artery, and it terminates into two posterior cerebral arteries, and here is the superior cerebellar artery, which is a branch of the basilar artery. And now you can see the oculomotor nerve, the third cranial nerve. It emerges from the medial surface of the cerebral peduncles, and it is inferior to the posterior cerebral artery. Now let's talk about the dorsal surface of the midbrain. Here's a rough sketch of the dorsal surface, and in purple color you can see the superior cerebellar peduncles, not cerebral, here is the cerebellar, and here are the superior colliculus and inferior colliculus. This is the pulvina of thalamus, and it overlaps the superior colliculus, and in between these two pulvinas the pineal gland is present, and at the sides splenium of corpus callosum is present, and also here's the medial geniculate body. As we know, midbrain contains the third and fourth cranial nerves, and third emerges from the ventral side, while the fourth cranial nerve emerges from the dorsal side. So here you can see the fourth cranial nerve, the trochlear nerve. So special things about this trochlear nerves are, it is the smallest nerve and it emerges from the dorsal surface, and also it decussates within the brainstem. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.